Good morning. I'm João. I'm from Portugal and I will be sharing some of my views with you next Friday about the global crisis and the management we need in the media to overcome them. I want to share with you a little bit of who I am or what I'm doing. So I thought the best thing would be to explain to you what is in this moment what I think the most important thing I'm doing. I'm sitting in my own library. I have here 5,000 books of my own that I have collected during my professional life of 50 years. Now I am preparing to share them with the people that lives in a very small village in the southern zone of Portugal, 120 kilometers away from Lisbon, the capital city. Let me show you a little bit what I have here. So you can see the books are in shelves, and I have here books about everything, but especially about what is related to innovation, what is related to philosophy with law, which was what I have studied at university, with the media, which has been all my life, and also with people. People that are creating, writing books, but also books about people. One of the other things you can offer you in this library, and I will explain you later why, is that we have here a part of what are the collection of books that have been published about the 36 centenarial Portuguese publications that are being published in a row for more than 100 years. And let me share with you a little bit more about books and newspapers as well. Here in this shelf, you can see what is now the way I am trying to rememorize all the books I have got during my life. What I'm doing a kind of a thing which are the books of the months. Then I choose a collection of this kind is a collection of books about philosophy, and I think uh, I try to understand why the organizer of this collection has chosen these books and not any others. And then you can see here there are books about General de Gaulle, so books about people. When this month goes up, I have already prepared books about Napoleon and so on. And here you have books about kitchen. And when it finishes, I will substitute it by books about wine. I also want to share with you that I have here a set of professional photos of my life. Many of these photos are not standstill photos, are photos that allows me to tell you a story, as for instance this one where I appear, I'm there, where I appear with the after Prime Minister and President of Republic of Portugal, Mário Soares, in a plane, and this plane was heading for New York, where for the first time in 74, I'm sorry, the Portuguese were allowed to participate in the United Nations General Assembly because we could match then with the needs of being a democracy at the beginning. So what's important is not that I'm there with Mário Soares. What's important is that I've shared that moment of the Portuguese affirmation in a new world. So let me just go a little bit around. And here I have a lot of collection of magazines or journals. Some of them, they don't publish more. So they are part of the memory. And this part of memories is exactly what I'm doing also with these books. Yes, sometimes I feel a little bit strange to speak about books and paper printed books in the world of digital. But I think that it's not, because the future is as you have here. I have here a collection of CDs and a collection of very old VHS recorders, cassettes, which I've not yet decided what to do with them. But it's when you get together the memories, what people have written and will stand as their views for the future, telling the past, that we will be able to accomplish what we have to do, managing the media to get out of this crisis. To finish, very briefly, let me show you where I am. I am in this small city of Alcáçovas, as I told you, southern part of Portugal, and there is a very special reason why I have decided to install here my library. I was born in Lisbon. I was not born here. Let me show. We are entering the main square of this small city, and there you find a huge palace. You can see it over there. And this palace has a very special story, not only for me or for us, the Portuguese, but globally, because in this palace, for the first time in the 15th century, was signed the first ever global treaty between Portugal and Spain that decided the way they would explore the world around. And one very important thing that we are discovering in the studies that are still being done was the role of women doing this treaty, because women were steadily on their houses, on their palaces, and we begin to have evidences now that there were 3 women that have really negotiated this first treaty that was signed in the last quarter of the 15th century. You can imagine in that time, 500 years ago, we are looking to something that was fundamental for the history of the world. And that's why I want to share with you next Friday a lot of my knowledge and of my views, not only about the media, not only about management, but about the world. See you then next Friday.